Hi everyone and welcome. Thanks for joining me today to talk about something really important, understanding the contents of a land title. I'm Rizal Santos, a licensed real estate broker. My goal today is to share the knowledge I gained during my real estate broker licensure exam review. I'm here to give you a simplified overview of the key parts of a land title. I understand the importance of this topic for both buyers and sellers and property owners. A land title is a crucial document that outlines ownership of property. It is vital to know what it says and what information it contains so you can make informed decisions about your real estate transactions. But before we begin, let me be very clear. While I'm a licensed real estate broker, I am not a lawyer, and this is not legal advice. This is for informational purposes only. If you have specific questions about your property, please consult a qualified legal professional. Okay? Let's dive in. What is a land title? A land title is basically a legal document that proves who owns a piece of land. It is like a passport of your property. It contains several key pieces of information. First, we have the legal description. This is a very precise description of where your property is located. Think of it as a super detailed address. It often uses complex surveying terms to pinpoint the exact boundaries. It is very specific to make sure there's no confusion about where your property begins and ends. Next, we have the owner information. This section clearly states who legally owns the property. It will list the owner's name and address. It is important to note that ownership can be shared or held by a trust or corporation, so you might see more than one name listed. Let's talk about encumbrances. These are any claims or liens against the property. Think of them as things that affect the property's ownership or use. Common examples include mortgages, if there's a loan on the property, easement, rights of way for others to cross your land, except by way of donation in favor of the national, provincial, or municipal government, no portion of the road so delineated on the plan and described on this title shall be closed or otherwise disposed of by the registered owner without the approval of the court of first instance of the province or city in which the land is situated. Understanding these encumbrances is crucial because they can impact your ability to sell or otherwise use your property. Often, your title will also reference survey information. This usually refers to the survey map that visually shows the property's boundaries. Having a current and accurate survey is super important, especially if you ever have a boundary dispute with a neighbor. Finally, most land titles include a title history. This is a summary of past owners and transactions related to the property. It is like a timeline of the property's ownership, showing who owned it before and what happened to it over time. This history can be helpful in identifying any potential issues. Understanding your land title is key to responsible ownership. Take charge of your property's future by reviewing your title today, and don't hesitate to seek professional guidance when needed. Your investment deserves it. Thank you for watching.